Alright, what's going on here? I turn the key on, and I start the car. It starts and then quits. Turn the radio off. If I try to start it again, it cranks. Now if I turn the ignition off, turn it back on, and try to start the car, it starts and revs. Turn it off, turn it on, try it again. I'll try to give it throttle. Nothing. Now today it ran fine, but before this I've had this problem forever. Help!